here this evening to raise money, lots of money, I hope, for Global's Make Some Noise.
This is where we make a lot of noise, a big noise for small charities.
Tonight's going to be an incredible night.
And hopefully we're going to raise loads of money.
It's a huge amount of fun.
It's all about giving small charities a voice.
I'm also looking forward to seeing that big number, the amount of money that we've raised, displayed on the screen, because I know it's going to do a great deal of good.
I'm really honoured to be part of this cause and to help amplify the voices of people doing so many great things.
Giving young people a better chance in life is so important.
It's just such an incredible charity.
It's amazing.
Make some noise!
Make some noise.
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 Go on, make some noise.
If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing the little hope, you can't shame me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be.
Be Bandit!
No place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be.
Genuinely are changing people's lives and improving them, which I think is probably the most special things any of us can do.
Dua Lipa!
It was the instant moment and their world is changed forever.
No matter how much darkness engulfs this world, there will always be someone to light your way. For me, that was Once Upon a Smile.
This is your chance to experience life in space. Sold £70,000.
It's time to draw the winner for those Etihad business class flights, ladies and gentlemen.
Please make some noise for Emily Sandy! This is why we're here. We've had a fantastic evening.
And the grand total is
Wow!
£801,150.
£801,000!
Fantastic. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You've been absolutely brilliant.